Before we dive into today's story, remember to subscribe. Your support helps us share stories that inspire courage and celebrate humanity. Hit that subscribe button so these voices reach those who need to hear them most. The evening sun bathed the ceremony in a warm glow, and the crowd's attention was fixed on the stage, where a hero stood, adorned in his uniform. As he raised his hand to salute, a small mishap unfolded. The hat slipped from his head and fell, stirring gasps among the audience. The president, a symbol of dignity and grace, did something unexpected. He stepped forward, picked up the hat, and placed it on his own head, standing tall. In that single gesture, he bridged the divide between soldier and civilian, conveying a profound message of respect and unity. Applause broke out, turning an ordinary ceremony into a moment of collective awe. As he spoke, the president addressed the crowd, honoring not just the sacrifice of the hero on stage, but that of all who had served. "This hat," he said, "symbolizes the bravery, resilience, and sacrifices of many." His words resonated deeply, stirring pride and emotion among the crowd. A young girl watching asked her mother why he wore the hero's hat. Her mother replied softly, "It's a way of showing respect, dear, to carry the weight of their service." But the moment was met with mixed emotions. Some in the crowd were touched, while a group of veterans voiced their frustrations. "We need more than words," shouted a young veteran, reminding everyone that honor must go hand in hand with action. Acknowledging the challenges veterans face beyond the battlefield, the president took the plea seriously. He spoke of plans to support them, pledging that their sacrifices would be honored not only in words, but through meaningful action. As he concluded, a young woman made her way forward, her voice breaking as she shared the struggle of her brother, a veteran in need of help. Her call for accountability and support stirred the audience, turning the ceremony into a powerful conversation about the real needs of those who serve. The crowd, inspired, began chanting, "Action! Action!" In response, the president committed to a plan for change, vowing to listen and create real solutions for veterans and their families. The moment united them all, civilians, veterans, and leaders, in a renewed mission for respect and support. The fallen hat had ignited a movement, a call for genuine honor through understanding, support, and commitment. What began as a simple ceremony transformed into a promise that the voices of veterans and their families would no longer go unheard. This day, the fallen hat became a beacon for change,